box?
What's in the box?
Welcome back to the channel. I'm so excited because it's finally come. And what you ask, well, judging from our thumbnail and everything, you already know. So I've actually had commissioned a custom carbon fiber steering wheel from, I actually tried to get it done locally, but unfortunately, out here in Raleigh, North Carolina, I couldn't find anybody, like a painter, that could actually make my vision come to life. So through the beauty of social media, I found a guy down in Jacksonville, Florida, KBMER. I'll put all his information below and everything, but huge shout out to him, because again, he took like this vision that I had and made it a reality. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump in the box. Sheesh, this steering wheel is amazing. Thank you, KBMER. Like I said, I'm gonna link all his information below, but holy cow, I am blown away. This thing is beautiful. Oh my God, like, again, I had this pictured in my head. I kind of sketched it out. Honestly, like, cause I'm not that great at Photoshop, so I actually come up with this design via paint. And I'll throw my original image up that I provided him, but oh my God, this exceeds expectations. So again, with the chaos theme, you already know it's got like the black, the blue, kind of like tealish blue, dark gray, light gray, and then we have our custom chaos touch on the spoke. Man, he knocked it out. I am so pleased. So let's get it in the car. That's what I'm most excited about. And actually, I'm getting ahead of myself. I'm gonna take some pictures of it off the car, and then we're gonna get it installed. But man, he crushed it. I'm just gonna be staring at it for the next 30 minutes, so. This is insane. Wow, amazing. And it's one of a kind, baby. Only I've got this one. So, chaos style is exactly, not that the D&D, like just the carbon fiber wheel wasn't great on its own, but you know, I gotta customize everything, so I just wanted to take it to the next level, and this is it. This is exactly what I had envisioned, and to see it in real life, I'm blown away. God, this looks so good. So let me geek out for a little bit, and then we'll get it thrown in the car. I was actually sitting here thinking about, like, over the years, all the mods that I've actually done to cars. I mean, everything from nitrous to wheels, tires, suspension, exhaust, just all kinds of stuff. And honestly, I have to say, this is probably my new favorite, all-time favorite mod. So just because it is such, like, so personalized to me, because I mean, you know, everybody in the world can go out there and, I mean, even just throw a steering wheel in the car. I mean, that's what I'm doing, but just knowing that, like, I can take this mod from car to car. So like, if I ever get rid of this 350Z, you know, I've had cars in the past where if I sell them, you know, unless I completely put them all back to stock, and again, if I don't buy a similar car like that to replace it, then all those mods just kind of disappear. But something like this, kind of universal, so I can take from car to car. Surprising as I'd probably rank wheels and exhaust probably previously as my favorite mods, just because they make so much of a difference. And I'm not usually much of like an interior mod guy, but I mean, I've done a few things here or there, like painting some of the bezels and that kind of thing. But yeah, this is something that it's gonna catch my eye every time I'm in the car. Have my hands on it every single time I'm in the car. So yeah, new favorite mod. So let's go ahead. I'm gonna get the old NRG wheel out, and put our custom D&D wheel in. So we'll take one last real good look at our NRG all carbon fiber wheel. And there was nothing wrong with this one, but when I fitted, because this was the whole intent the whole time, is if you'll remember back when I was actually going to install the wheel, I had actually bought two different versions. I bought a deep dish carbon wheel, and then I also bought the flat carbon wheel. But no matter which version I was going with, it was always the intent to customize it the way that I had envisioned. So it's just the flat one actually fits better. It doesn't make me feel as claustrophobic in the car. So the other one, the flat one, just, yeah, it feels better, it fits better, and I can reach like the turn signal and the windshield wipers a little easier. So overall, I liked the way that the flat wheel fit. So our deep dish served us well, but I'm ready to get the flat wheel in here, because like I said, if you'll just notice, it's quite the reach to both of my turn signal and my windshield wipers. I'm so stoked on how that looks. That's so much better, and it's just 100% me. That just fits my personality, fits the car. The overall style of the car is so much better. Man, all the little details, and then when you get it out in the sun, there's some flake in this as well. So hopefully at some car shows and stuff, you know, people looking at it, you'll see that flake really shine through in the sunlight. So now we're kind of tying all the interior together. So my shifter, my custom Chaos shifter, and then our blue NRG quick release, everything's just very well tied together with that same style blue throughout the car. And I just had to point out, I don't know who else has matching wheels. Steering wheel and my PF05s from NK both got that custom Chaos touch on them. Again, I can't thank KBMER enough for bringing my dream to reality. Again, I'll make sure to link all his stuff down below. Really, be sure to check him out. Awesome to work with. The only things that I can see that I want to change up is nothing to do with his part, but which I kind of had that in mind already, but I definitely want to kind of put some kind of logo, like the Chaos logo, for a horn button. Not that I don't like the D&D, but it's got to go. It just doesn't fit anymore. So, gonna add a custom horn button. And then I was actually thinking about, and you all let me know what your thoughts are on this too, but our hardware, right now we just have like the regular silver, you know, aluminum hardware. And I know they make some like dress up bolts, and either maybe black or blue, or maybe a combo, do like, you know, maybe these bottom three black and the top blue. I don't know, let me know what you think below. Also let me know what you think about the overall wheel. So I can't be more hyped on it. I appreciate everybody watching. If you will, subscribe to the channel, it really helps out. And also be sure to leave your favorite mod below, because like I said, I got to thinking, and so far this is tops 100%. So let me know your favorite mod as well. But be sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you all in the next one.